Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to use the ID command, which basically shows you the effector, user and group ID. So to use it, just type in ID, click enter, then we get some information. So this is what's stored in the etc, the etc directory for the password stuff. So this isn't revealing any password stuff, so don't worry if you type this in front of anyone. But it reveals what your user ID is and some of the information on the group that you belong to. So this is a great way of seeing that information. Why would you want to see that? Maybe you are trying to manipulate some files, maybe you're trying to copy them or move them, and you're on 1000, and where you're trying to move them is to, let's say, 1010, somebody with that ID, but you don't realize that, and that could be causing an issue. So let me actually change user to my other user on here. This is not an admin, so it will not have the same sort of information, but you also have a different user ID. So if I type in ID now, it's 1001 because it was created afterwards, and the group ID is 1001 and the group is 1001. This is just part of its own group. But if it's part of another group, let's say a bunch of them were, then this would be shown. All this is unique to my user, and obviously I can just go back, log out, ID this one, and you can see the information for this particular user. So that's how you get information about the user and group IDs. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.